Afternoon, we are going to see how to activate REST APIs from external sources. Suppose I want to build an application which is rely on Oracle Cloud ERP, but I want to pull all POs from the external application. Okay, that is the concept. We already developed our application, but I didn't launch that on the server side. But I am running on local mm, machine. Okay, so this I will show the how can we retrieve the POs, how can we search for particular POs, or I can search for by buyer item, whatever I can search for that. Okay, so this is a concept. So we can build so many applications using REST APIs, external REST APIs. One of the applications which I built recently on my using Python. Okay. So I will show how to search for that. This is the application which I developed. It's not totally not on in server, so I've done on a local machine. So I created so many POs. Suppose I created for my Bina is a like buyer, and also you can search for using PO numbers also. Otherwise, if I want to search by buyer also, suppose I key may. So this is application which is built on using Python, using external REST API. Okay, so we can monitor all about these jobs. We can everything we can build using REST APIs. So this is one of the application is built on using REST API. Okay, if you have any doubts on this, so I will give total description how to build this type of applications in using REST APIs. Okay. So if you have any doubts on this, how to build and how to pull this type of purchase orders or anything, sales orders or anything on that. So I will give total description in next videos. Okay. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Okay. It is useful.